Hi, my name is Derek Sanchez and I'm the TrueTan Technical Sales Manager and Wine Chemist for Oak Solutions Group. In this video, we're going to cover botrytis, what it is, how it affects grape and wine quality, and how to prevent its damages. So what is botrytis? Botrytis is a disease that grows on grapevines. It's also known as bunch rot, gray mold, or noble rot. It can cause severe economic damages each year in vineyards across the world. In periods of high humidity or rain, in conjunction with mild temperatures, it allows a persistent moisture on the berry surface and promotes the disease development. There are several other factors that influence the vineyard's susceptibility to infection, including vineyard site, where macroclimate and previous inoculations add to risk, canopy management, where thick canopies create a more humid microclimate, and variety, where thin-skinned varieties are particularly vulnerable. All of this can be quite costly from a loss of fruit and wine quality. So how does botrytis affect grape and wine quality? The fungus starts by growing on the grape berry and continues into the juice. It begins to release metabolites and enzymes that break down the cell walls to release the cell's nutrients that then the fungus uses to grow and replicate. The most notorious of these are a group of enzymes called lactases. Lactase is a polyphenol oxidase that, together with oxygen and copper, oxidize polyphenolics. These proteins are quite stable in must and wine conditions and can affect the wine color, causing browning in whites and brick color in reds, as well as other sensory changes in aromas or mouthfeel. So how do we prevent these damages? Tannins are very good at sticking to enzymes. They can either inactivate them or precipitate them out completely. Gallotannins are especially good at inactivation. Adding enological tannins during harvest as early as convenient allows the tannins to be present in the must to help mitigate these effects. This is important in white and rosé wines because it causes browning. And even in reds, before the native grape tannin is present, it can cause a brick red color in reds. We recommend adding between 2 and 5 grams per hectoliters, or 20 and 50 ppm, of fermentation intensive in whites, and 5 to 10 grams per hectoliter of F2 in reds. Dose rates can be even higher than this in severe cases of botrytis. This can be done in conjunction with SO2 to best prevent oxidative and to mitigate any microbial damage. Ascorbic acid can also be used to eliminate oxygen needed by lactases. If you have the capabilities, you can also test for lactase. For example, post-fermentation, if you find you still have lactase present, it indicates that you were not able to fully remove the lactase during fermentation, and another addition of tannin and/or SO2 can help remediate the problem. I hope this video has helped you make more informed decisions next time you might encounter botrytis. For more specific recommendations, contact myself or your local Oak Solutions Group specialist.